Welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung just declared the system Z Flip 4, which has a more strong plan, another processor, an updated camera, and in particular new programming that exploits its foldable screen it dispatches on August 26th for $1,000. These progressions address a portion of our greatest reactions about the Z Flip 3. Now that the Z Flip is in its fourth era, it seems like Samsung has a superior feeling of what individuals need from a foldable flip phone. Samsung likewise appears to have a reasonable thought of who the Z Flip is truly, for the Z Flip is by all accounts intended for individuals who take a ton of photographs and believe the adaptability should set up their phone and take photographs. From various points that said the Z Flip 4's $1,000 cost could in any case make it an extreme sell for many individuals. Foldable phones actually make up a negligible portion of the generally cell phone market. The Z Flip 4 will do a lot to change that, thinking of it as for the most part a refined rendition of the Z Flip 3, yet it's as yet an improvement. Originally we should take a gander at how Samsung changed the Z Flip's plan. The Z Flip 4 is almost indistinguishable from the Z Flip 3. Yet with the slimmer pivot that has a marginally unique completion, the fundamental screen is likewise 45 additional sturdy and the outside is safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus in addition to. Be that as it may, one of the progressions I'm most amped up for has to do with the product as opposed to the equipment. Samsung is making the Z Flip 4's cover screen more valuable with new gadgets and highlights like the capacity to answer to messages and settle on decisions. This is no joking matter, since I've been needing more from the Z Flip's cover screen, since it's the principal thing you see when you take a gander at the telephone. I'm anticipating perceiving how this adds to the general experience when we get additional time with the gadget. The product within the Z Flip is getting a few new deceives too. While the Z Flip 4 is in flex mode, you'll have the option to utilize the base portion of the phone like a track cushion to explore applications on the top piece of the screen. I don't think this is the executioner application we've been sitting tight for, yet it's perfect to see Samsung track down better approaches to make the Z Flip's foldable screen more helpful. Next up is the camera. The Z Flip 4's fundamental and ultra-wide cameras will have a 12 megapixel goal, very much like the Z Flip 3's, yet Samsung is making overhauls in different regions, especially with regards to evening photography. The system Z Flip 4 is getting similar low-light camera enhancements as the Universe S22, which incorporate a more splendid wide focal point and bigger pixel size. The Z Flip 4's external camera is getting a redesign too. The pixel sensor and wide focal point are both more brilliant, and it additionally upholds picture mode and video recording. The Z Flip 4 sudden spikes in demand for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 or more Gen 1 chip, which is a fresher and marginally redesigned processor contrasted with the World S22 arrangement. It's a fascinating decision considering last year's Z Flip 3 ran on a similar processor as the Universe S21. Samsung likewise overhauled the Z Flip 4's battery with a 3700 mAh limit, contrasted with the Z Flip 3's 3300 mAh battery. That likewise implies the Z Flip 4 has a similar measured battery as the standard system S22. It additionally upholds quick accusing of Samsung, guaranteeing it can recapture 50 of its battery limit in only 30 minutes. With the Z Flip 4, Samsung marked off a portion of the containers on our list of things to get. The battery duration ought to be longer, the cameras are better, and Samsung is accomplishing more with the Z Flip programming and cover screen. However, by and large, the Z Flip 4 appears to be a minor move up to the Z Flip 3 as opposed to a Goliath jump. I hope you like the Z Flip 4. If you like the Z Flip 4, hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.